The starter and pawl set is a quick way to get your blower running again if there's a problem with the starter. It consists of a pre-assembled starter and a new cup with the pawls and springs already installed. The kit will fix common starter issues, such as a broken spring, rope, pulley, or pawls. Installing the starter and pawl kit is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the starter from the engine. Now I need to remove the starter cup. The problem is, if I try to unscrew this, it just simply turns the engine over. So I need to bind up the piston. To do that, I'll remove the spark plug. With the spark plug removed, now I can take a piece of nylon rope. This is just starter rope. I'll place the rope into the cylinder. The rope will take up the space between the piston and the top of the cylinder. And this will bind up the piston as it tries to rotate around. Now the piston can't move, so I'll take my adjustable pliers and remove the cup. With the piston still bound, I'll install the new cup. I'll thread it onto the spindle and tighten it up. It doesn't need to be real tight. Be careful not to damage it with the pliers. With the cup in place, now remove the rope. And now I'll reinstall the spark plug. With the new cup installed, now I can finish up by installing the new starter. I'll place the starter over the cup and pull the rope until the starter pulley aligns with the pawls. And now I'll just secure it into place. And now you can install a new starter and pawl set on your blower.